Hey there, it's Marcus from RDP Arena. If you are using a Mac and need to move a file into your Windows RDP, you do not have to upload it somewhere, email it to yourself, or install any extra software. In this video, I will show you how to send files from your Mac to your Windows RDP in just a few minutes using the built-in folder redirection feature inside the Windows app. Let's get right into it. So here you can see I am on my Mac desktop. The first thing you want to do is create a folder and drop the file you want to transfer inside it. In my case, I have a folder on my desktop called RDP Arena, and inside it, I have a file called logo.png. This is the file I want to access inside my Windows RDP server. Once your folder is ready, go ahead and open the Windows app on your Mac. Under Saved Devices, select the RDP server you want to send your files to. I currently have one saved RDP server here, so I'll use that one. Now, instead of connecting right away, click the three horizontal dots on the top right of the server card, then select Configure. This will open the Configure PC window. From here, click on the Folders tab. Right under it, you will see an option that says Redirect Folders. Tick that checkbox. The moment you enable that, you'll see the small plus icon below become active. Click on that plus icon. A file picker will open up where you can browse your Mac and pick the folder you want to redirect. In my case, I am selecting the RDP Arena folder sitting on my desktop. Once you've selected the folder, click Open. You will now see the folder added to the list. If you ever want to remove it later, just select the folder and click the minus icon. Once everything looks good, click Save. Now, before I walk you through the final step where you actually see your file appear inside your Windows server, I want to quickly share something exciting with you. We're currently running a special sale with 20% off on all RDP slots. Simply use the code you see on your screen during checkout to grab your discount. If you've been thinking about upgrading your RDP plan or trying out one of our premium servers, this is the perfect chance for you to get started. Don't wait too long though. Stocks are limited, and this sale won't be around forever. Now let's get back to the video. Double-click your saved RDP server to connect. Once you are inside your Windows Remote desktop, look down at the taskbar and click on the File Explorer icon. When File Explorer opens, click on This PC from the left side panel. Now look for the section called Redirected Drives and Folders. You should see a separate drive listed there. This drive contains the folder you selected from your Mac. Go ahead and double-click on it to open it up. You should now be able to see the files from the Mac folder you redirected earlier. In my case, you can see logo.png listed here. To move it into your RDP, right-click the file and copy it. Then go to the location where you want to save it. I'm going to paste it on my RDP desktop. The file has now been transferred from my Mac to the Windows RDP. One quick note before you go. Your transfer speed can vary depending on your server hardware, how far your Mac is from the server location, and the internet speed on both your Mac and the server. So if a large file takes longer, that's usually why. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.